What's going on, guys? We are at Garden State Motor Club's Cars and Candy. It's pretty cool to be out at an event today, especially being my first Halloween. I gotta make this quick because I gotta go take Grayson trick-or-treating with the wife. So we're gonna go check this out. They got nice R35 right here, beauty. I like the mask, man. Yeah, but other than that, guys, it's a really good culture out here. A lot of people that come out to these events from far. You got New York, Connecticut, you got everybody just kind of just hanging out and chilling. Pretty sure this is Ant's car. Yeah, so Ant's got his car here, C7 right here. Freaking sick. Oh, is that a Supra? Nice. Beautiful E30 right here. I'm definitely gonna walk around and get some B-roll of these cars before I leave. Shout out to GS Motor Club for putting this together. Probably gonna move the Corvette. Nice Huracan. Ooh. Nice. Then you got Mario's. And then you got Nick in the background. It's funny. Oh my God.
Did you bring your son?
No, I didn't.
What?
He's at the mall.
With mom?
Yeah, they saw all the cars and they said all the gas and stuff. I don't know. Yo, what's up, man?
What the fuck, bro?
I haven't seen you in forever. How's everything? Dude, the car looks great.
Thanks.
Bro.
Where's yours?
It's on the corner over here.
The Vette?
Yeah.
Oh, sick.
Yo, don't get too mad. I kept it in one piece.
I have nothing to do with this.
Nick, when did you get here, man?
Nice to see you.
I'm gonna try and get the baby here. I'll put the car seat in there.
I have nothing to do with this car too.
This thing's beautiful, bro.
Justin, right?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, bro. Pleasure. Always want to meet you, bro.
Oh, dude.
You got a nice car too, bro.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Definitely,
We gotta go for a cruise sometime. Caesar.
Pleasure to meet you, bro.
Pleasure, bro. Love the car, man. It's clean, man. We'll go for a cruise soon, bro.
You brought yours?
Hell no, I brought the Vette. There you got a Mark 5 right here. This car's sick. Guys, so we came late to the party today. Everybody's already leaving, but we got to get the car out, got to shoot some content, go over some stuff. I'm gonna get some B-roll right now of the cars that actually are still here that I really like. So some of my favorites on the B-roll right now. Hope you guys enjoy. So we're a little late to the party. Wasn't able to get all the cars that we wanted to, but there is some really, really fine automobiles out here at the GS Motor Club Cars and Candy. Can't thank them enough. Sorry, it was kind of a quick video, some B-roll, but just know we're out here filming some content. Just trying to bring something to the channel for you guys. We love you. Hope to see you guys soon. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.